it's me, Courtney from Know Your Produce. I am so sorry I've been gone for quite a bit, about 20 weeks. So I'm actually going to be showing you guys my favorite go-to breakfast. This is my pregnancy smoothie. I like to pair this with like an avocado toast with some chickpeas on it, or just some kind of nutrient-dense breakfast with this nutrient-dense smoothie. So I'm going to show you what I put in my smoothie. So I like to start off with a ton of greens. I use a lot of spinach. I really take like 3 or 4 handfuls, I wash it, and then I'll put this into the smoothie. So I love, love, love spinach. You could also use kale, but spinach is my favorite for smoothie. I like kale cooked a little bit more than I do spinach. So then I also have, for sweetness, I have some mango. I absolutely love mango. I use a clementine. You could use any orange or like a juice if you wanted, but I like to keep it to whole fruits for this because I'm pregnant and I don't want to have any processed sugar, so it's all whole fruit in here. And then we have a large banana and then some chia seeds. I love chia seeds. I actually have a whole post about why you should eat chia seeds, the benefits and everything. So I will link that below. And then to give it a little bit of iciness, I actually add a little bit more of ice because it's got the frozen fruit, but I want a little bit more of that icy flavor just to make it like cool and perfect for summer. And then we're gonna add some water. So if you don't want to add water to your smoothie, you can absolutely do your favorite nut milk. I have an oat milk that you can try on the link below. But yeah, you could use any oat milk, nut milk. You could use juice if you want, but again, like I said, we have our whole fruits here. So let's just put this all into the blender. Uh-oh, I need a cord. How to make a smoothie. How to make a smoothie. So now I'm gonna start our smoothie. I like to add in my liquids first. So I'm just gonna use a little bit of water, and if I need to add more, I can always do that. A lot of it. And then I'm going to add in my fruits. I'm going to put in the banana. Then I'm going to dump all of this in. Then we're going to add in our leafy greens. There's a lot. You can use as much or as little as you want. I say use as much as you want. Basically fill that blender up. And then we're going to add in our ice. I have like 5 ice cubes there, I think. And then we're gonna add in our super seeds. I'm using chia seeds, but you can use whatever you want, and if they get stuck, get them in there. So we're gonna blend this up. It might get a little loud, so if you're wearing a headset or earpiece or whatever, you might wanna turn the volume down a little bit. So let's go. We're gonna start this guy. So we just want to make sure it's completely blended. We do not want to chew that spinach up. Let the blender do that for us. And then we just pour ourselves a glass. And this will serve 2 to 3 people. So I like to have this with my husband and my daughter, or even just my daughter will enjoy it, which is really good because it's filled with greens. So there is my serving. Drop. Oh, I got it on the table. And then you enjoy. This smoothie is so good. It's so refreshing. I hope you guys enjoyed as much as I do. Remember, it's not just for pregnancy. Everybody can enjoy it. We'll see you next week. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. And leave us a comment. What is your favorite pregnancy craving if you're pregnant too? See you later. Bye.